Come on, baby. Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cass County in southeastern North Dakota, southeastern Griggs County in southeastern North Dakota, central Barnes County in southeastern North Dakota, southwestern Steele County in southeastern North Dakota, until 9:15 p.m. CDT. At 8:45 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanborn, or near Valley City, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valley City, Sanborn, Oriska, Rogers, Laverne, Sibley and Colgate. This includes Interstate 94 in North Dakota between mile markers 277 and 302. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for eastern Griggs County in southeastern North Dakota, west central Steele County in southeastern North Dakota, until 9:45 p.m. CDT. At 9:15 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hannaford, or 30 miles north of Valley City, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Cooperstown around 9:25 p.m. CDT. Findlay around 9:35 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Grand Forks County in northeastern North Dakota, southeastern Nelson County in northeastern North Dakota, eastern Griggs County in southeastern North Dakota, north central Barnes County in southeastern North Dakota, Steele County in southeastern North Dakota, until 10 p.m. CDT. At 9:09 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Laverne, or 23 miles north of Valley City, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cooperstown, Golden Lake, Finley, Hope, Annetta, Hannaford and Daisy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Tom Green County in West Central Texas until 10:15 p.m. CDT. At 9:29 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over the eastern and southeastern parts of San Angelo, to just east of the San Angelo Airport. The severe thunderstorm is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will remain over the eastern and southeastern parts of San Angelo, and in the vicinity of Lake Natsworthy through 10:15 p.m. CDT. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe Thunderstorm Watch 321 is in effect until 6 a.m. CDT for the following locations. Missouri counties included are Andrew, Atchison, Buchanan, Holton, Nottoway. Nebraska counties included are Birdcast, Dodge, Douglas, Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Namaha, Otoeponi, Richardson, Sarpy, Saunders, Washington. Iowa counties included are Fremont, Harrison, Mills, Monona, Montgomery, Page, Potawatomi, Shelby. Kansas counties included are Brown, Doniphan. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sarpy County in east central Nebraska, Washington County in east central Nebraska, Dodge County in east central Nebraska, western Douglas County in east central Nebraska, Saunders County in east central Nebraska, until 12:15 a.m. CDT. At 11:39 p.m. CDT, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Snyder to 4 miles southwest of Cedar Bluffs to near Weston, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fremont, Wahoo Valley, Arlington, Newton, Scribner, Waterloo, Hooper, Cedar Bluffs, Meade, Nickerson, Kennard, Inglewood, Weston, Elkhorn, Wheeling, Bennington, Herman, Washington and Ithaca. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the forest. Music. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Marion County and north-central Arkansas, northeastern Boone County and north-central Arkansas, Baxter County in north-central Arkansas, western Fulton County in north-central Arkansas, until 12:30 p.m. CDT. At 11:50 a.m. CDT, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Diamond City to 6 miles northwest of Bakersfield, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrison, Mountain Home, Bull Shoals, Salem and Fulton County, Yalville, Gassville, Flippin, Lakeview in Baxter County, Diamond City, Salesville, Bergman, Viola, Lead Hill, Briarcliff, Piatt, Arcawana, Bexar, Flint Springs, Ott, Lakeway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Upton, NY has issued a flash flood warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, until 1:45 p.m. EDT. At 12:41 p.m. EDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar indicated. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Newark, Jersey City, Bayonne, Harrison, Kearney, Irvington and East Newark. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clark County and southwestern Alabama until 2 p.m. CDT. At 1:20 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Coffeyville, or 10 miles west of Grove Hill, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grove Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mobile. This is the forest. Music 24/7. The National Weather Service in Upton, NY has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for New London County in southern Connecticut, Central Middlesex County in southern Connecticut, until 3:30 p.m. EDT. At 2:50 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Salem, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Norwich, New London, Colchester, Groton, Salem, Waterford, East Lyme, Ledyard, Griswold, East Haddam, Old Lyme, Lebanon, Preston, Lisbon and Sprague. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is the Forest. Music 24/7. Tune in every Wednesday between The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, southern Grady County in southwestern Georgia, until 3:45 p.m. EDT. At 3:01 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bainbridge, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bainbridge, Cairo, Wigan, West Bainbridge, Climax, Calvary, Reno, Grady Company AP, Prince's Still and Nickelville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the Forest. Music 24. This is only a test. This is a test, no action is needed. If there were to be an actual emergency, important instructions would have followed the attention tone. All of the Forest's products are real and are relayed from the National Weather Service site and IEM bot. All of our activations can be found on EAS Arkansas or the Forest IEM bot Discord server. Again, this is only a test. There is no actual emergency and no other action is needed. This is the Forest. Music